Welcome to my tutorial. This video will teach you how to carry out the differentiation of a product. This is the formula used in finding the derivative of a product. Now let's begin with question A. Now let's find the derivative of this product. Let U represent the values in the first bracket, while V represent the values in the second bracket. Now let's differentiate U. We represent that with, looking at the values of U, we have a constant. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Basically, we focus on differentiating minus 2x plus 3x squared. Differentiating minus 2x, the power of x here is 1. 1 times minus 2x. Let's differentiate 3x squared. 2 times 3x. We also subtract 1 from the power. And 2 minus 1 gives 1, so the power of x here is 1. Now let's differentiate v. We refer that as the v by the x. We have a constant. We neglect the constant and focus on minus 5x squared. 2 times minus 5x, 2 minus 1. Now let's use this product formula to find the derivative of this. Here we have u, which is this, times dv by dx, plus v being this, and then times du by dx. So therefore, the derivative of this, that is dy by dx, is equal minus 10x multiplied by all these values plus 6x minus 2 multiplied by this. Let's proceed to question B. Let u represent root x, which is equivalent to x raised to power 1 over 2, while v represents 1 plus 2x all square. Du by dx, that is differentiating x raised to power 1 over 2, is 1 over 2x. 1 over 2 minus 1 gives minus 1 over 2. Taking x raised to power minus 1 over 2 then gives x raised to power positive 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2. X raised to power 1 over 2 means square root of x. Next is to differentiate these values here. We can differentiate this using chain rule formula. To understand how to use the chain rule formula to differentiate a function of this form, please do well to watch the previous video on how to find the derivative of a function using the chain rule formula. Applying the chain rule formula entails that we treat v as a function on its own. Assuming that 1 plus 2x all square is the function on its own, and let m be 1 plus 2x, since this represents m, so y will be m squared. So differentiating this, we care that dy by the m will be equal to 2m. So differentiating this, we care that the m by the x. Remember, we'll have to neglect the constant and focus on 2x. The differentiation of 2x is 2. And the v by the s will be dy by the m, which is 2m multiplied by the m by the x, which is 2. And so 2m times 2 gives 4m. For the value of m here is 1 plus 2x. V by the x is 4, 1 plus 2x. Now let's apply the product formula to get dy by the x. We have u multiplied by dv by the x plus v times du by the x. So we succeeded in using the product formula to differentiate this function. Now let's answer the last question. Let u represent x raised to power 3, while v represents all these values, so that du by the x will be 3x squared. That is 3 times x, and then 3 minus 1 gives 2. To get the v by the x, we have to treat v, that is these values, as a function on its own using chain rule method. Do well to watch the previous video on chain rule method of differentiation for better clarity. So we call this y. If m is equal to these values, therefore y will be equal m raised to power 1 over 2. dy by the m will be 1 over 2 times m, which gives 1 over 2m. 1 over 2 minus 1 gives minus 1 over 2. We have 1 over 2, bringing m raised to power minus 1 over 2, then to the 2 becomes m raised to power positive 1 over 2. Now let's differentiate this, and we call that the m by the x. Neglecting the constant being 3, we'll focus on minus 2x plus 4x squared. So differentiating minus gives 2 plus Differentiating 4x squared gives 8x. Now add the v by the x's, the y by the m value, multiply by the m by the x. Minus 2 times 1 over 2 gives minus 1, plus 8x times 1 over 2 gives 4x. Divide by m, and our m value is this, then raised to power 1 over 2. Now let's apply the product formula to get the derivative of x. We have u times the v by the x plus v multiplied by the u by the x. That is 3x squared. Simplifying this gives this. So we succeeded in using the product formula to get the derivative of all these functions. I hope this video helps. If you got value from this video, please like, leave an amazing comment. In case you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Also do well to share this video to anyone who might find it useful. If you have any question or topic you want us to cover in future video, please drop that on the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.